video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. First of all, you have to log in your account and go to the section which is written group. After clicking group, you will see a many group. Just click the plus button so as to add a new group. You click a plus button. After clicking the plus button, you will see this, the place to place the picture and the name of your group. So we are going to start to name your group. For example, pregnancy tips. This is the name of groups. We click the picture so as to add a picture. We upload a picture. Yes. We upload the picture. For example, we select a picture like this. Yes, I think it's good. Yes, the picture is added. So now we are going to choose a privacy. Privacy can be how you choose your group to be. Can be public or private. So now let's choose a privacy. Click here. Public is good. Yes. I'm advising you or I'm coming to you to choose a public group. Now we create a group. Yes. After finishing to add a date to your group, now it is the time to invite people to your group. Let him invite randomly people like this. Yes. After inviting some people, click done. After clicking done, you have to add a description of your group. This description can be seen by your member. Now we are going to add a description. Example, in this group, we discuss about pregnancy. Yes, after adding your description, you can add more word, whatever your group is about. Now we click done. Now, the next step, you have to create a group, a post. You have to create a post, a first post. Now we create a post. Yes, we add a picture. For example, this. Yes, you can add a picture, and Latin anything. For example, how to test pregnancy using search. Yes, using search. Yes, like this. And I click posting. After that, you see you are creating a post, click done. After that, your group is alive. One member who is you or myself. So the next step here is just to invite people in your group. When the people come in your group, they will start to discuss and your group would grow. And if you like this content, make sure you subscribe by clicking the red button below so as to support me. Thank you.